Welcome to the One Button Studio at the University of Cape Town, where creativity meets innovation. Today we're diving into one of our most exciting features, the lightboard. What exactly is the lightboard? It's a revolutionary piece of technology that allows presenters to write and draw on a transparent glass panel using luminous chalk markers. Now here's the magic. Our advanced technology flips the camera feed live, so your writing appears correctly placed from left to right. No more tedious editing or flipping of videos. It's all done seamlessly in real time. Whether you're working on a math problem, a science experiment, or a statistics tutorial, the lightboard is your canvas for clear and engaging explanations. And the best part? Your recordings are automatically integrated into OpenCast and available on your learning management system as soon as your session ends. Its convenience and accessibility rolled into one. Booking the studio is as easy as a click of a button. Simply head to Resource Booker and reserve your slot. It's free for all students and staff. Join us at One Button Studio and let your ideas shine bright with the lightboard. Happy creating!